Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best acrylic nail tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the MelodySusie acrylic nail clippers. The MelodySusie nail clippers are designed for effortless cutting of acrylic and fake nails. You can easily adjust the blade's tension to achieve your desired nail shape, whether round or straight, saving you time during your nail art sessions. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these clippers are durable and rust-proof, making them a reliable choice for long-term use. The adjustable blade and strong spring mechanism provide excellent control and support, allowing you to clip nails with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a professional nail technician, this versatile tool is perfect for all types of nails. At number 4, we have the MelodySusie Portable Electric Nail Drill. MelodySusie Nail Drill is a compact and lightweight electric nail file kit designed for both home and salon use. With its multifunctional features, including 6 kinds of metal bits and 6 sanding bands, you can easily grind, carve, cut, polish, and remove cuticles for all your nail art needs. The adjustable speed control button allows you to polish your nails at your preferred speed, while the low noise and low heat motor ensure a comfortable and safe experience. The smart heat dissipation feature prevents overheating, making it suitable for continuous use. Its portability makes it easy to carry and use anytime, anywhere. Simply connect the power cord and start working on your nails. At number 3, we have the MelodySusie SC300F Cordless Nail Drill. The MelodySusie Nail Drill is designed to make your manicure and pedicure tasks easier and more professional. It features an adjustable speed control with a clear LCD screen, allowing you to customize the speed from 0 up to 30,000 RPM, so you can work gently or powerfully depending on your needs. The cordless design includes a strong 4,000 mAh battery that charges quickly via Type-C and lasts 8 to 12 hours, giving you plenty of time for nail art, whether at home or on the go. With 30 speed settings, you can handle everything from gentle polishing to tough gel removal and shaping, making it a versatile choice for beginners and pros alike. At number 2, we have the Honoson 3-piece acrylic nail toolkit. The Honoson acrylic nail kit includes 3 essential tools designed to help you create beautiful nail designs easily. The set features a French tip cutter, a French tip cutting knife, and an acrylic nail art brush, each serving a unique purpose for your DIY nail projects. Made with durable, rust-resistant materials like stainless steel and nylon, these tools are built to last and can be reused multiple times. Using the kit saves you time and effort. After letting your acrylic dry briefly, you can quickly shape and paint smile lines with precision. The variety of cutters and the fine brush let you add detailed patterns and smooth finishes to your nails. And finally, at number 1, we have the SAVILAND Kolinsky Acrylic Nail Brush Set. The SAVILAND Nail Brush Set is an essential tool for anyone passionate about acrylic nail art. This set includes 3 beautifully designed brushes in various sizes, perfect for different applications like nail carving and extensions. The premium bristles provide excellent flexibility, allowing you to apply acrylic powder smoothly. Additionally, the included cleaning comb makes maintaining your brushes a breeze, ensuring they stay in top condition. To get started, simply soak the brushes in warm water before use, which helps remove the sealing wax and prepares them for your creative projects.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.